Hey, y'all, I'm back. How's everyone doing out there today? Okay, so today, I thought I'd try my granny's 7-Up cake. Okay. Here it is. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 160 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour and salt. Add the lemon zest and mix well. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture in 3 parts, alternating with the 7-Up soda, starting and ending with the flour mixture. Mix well after each addition. Add the lemon juice and vanilla extract and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into a greased and floured bundt pan. Bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the glaze, whisk together the powdered sugar, 7-Up soda, and lemon juice in a small bowl until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Allow the glaze to set for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious old-fashioned 7-Up cake.